Number 3 is MakerBot Replicator plus 3D Printer. Get ready to take your classroom into the future with the MakerBot Replicator 3D Printer. This is the perfect solution for schools that want to incorporate 3D printing technology into their curriculum. With its easy-to-use features, this printer is ideal for beginners and experts alike. One of the MakerBot Replicator Plus Education Edition's standout features is the IST-certified cloud-based MakerBot certification program, lesson plans, and a physical MakerBot educator's guidebook. This means that teachers can be confident in their ability to integrate 3D printing into their classrooms with the help of pre-designed lessons and resources. The MakerBot Smart Extruder Plus is also a highlight of this printer, providing dependable and consistent performance with superior results using MakerBot PLA material. Getting started and staying connected with intelligent technology, including an LCD, onboard camera, and USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connections, is easy. The MakerBot ecosystem offers a variety of 3D printers, materials, and software to meet all your 3D printing needs. There is something for everyone, from the Method and Sketch series to the Replicator series 3D printers. So if you want to purchase this printer, check the link in the description box below.